Children and women together constitute around 70% of India's people, representing not just the present human resource base, but also the future. This perpetuates a vicious cycle of undernutrition. Aurobindo Pharma Foundation, known as APF, is the philanthropic arm of Aurobindo Pharma Limited and strives for the social and economic growth of the nation through its corporate social responsibility program aligned with Sustainable Development Goals of UN. Aurobindo Pharma Foundation and Hare Krishna Movement Charitable Foundation took the first step to build a full-fledged automated centralized kitchen with an outlay of 3 crore rupees, and it was inaugurated in January 2016 at Narsingi village of Hyderabad, Telangana. This centralized community kitchen can cook food for 50,000 people in just a span of 5 hours, and it has been serving under various programs such as Bhojanamrita, Annapurna, Sadhimuta, and providing midday meals to thousands of students studying in various government schools. Supply free food to inpatient attendants at government hospitals and subsidized food at counters managed by Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and providing food to poor farmers and hamalis in various market yards in and around Hyderabad. As on date, about 6 crore meals were provided through this kitchen. Buoyed by the success of the first nutrition project, APF has spent Rs 12.6 crores to support Hare Krishna Movement Charitable Foundation and facilitated to construct a fully automated centralized kitchen in 2 acres of land at Singupuram village to cook hot and nutritious food. This kitchen was inaugurated in September 2019, having a capacity to provide food to 35 students, attendants of patients at government hospitals, farmers who are in the field and hamalis in market yards, and underprivileged people in Srikakulam district. Till date, about 46 lakh meals were provided to the government school students and underprivileged people. Inspired by 2 successful programs of kitchens, Aurobindo Pharma Foundation has further funded 4.5 crores to Hare Krishna Charitable Foundation for constructing another full-fledged kitchen at Mehboob town on Raichur Road, Telangana state. And this kitchen is ready for inauguration. This kitchen will cater midday meals to 25,000 government school children, Anganwadis, underprivileged people, and for inpatient attendants at various government hospitals in Mehboob district. Apart from massive kitchens, Aurobindo Pharma Foundation has also taken various other nutrition-related initiatives. As part of feeding the inpatient attendants at the government hospital located in Sangareddy town of Telangana state, Aurobindo Pharma has spent an amount of Rs 28.5 lakhs. Daily free food was provided to 300 attendants for a period of 1 year in 2015-16 through Akshay Patra Kitchen at Patancheru. Another such initiative was to support flood victims in Hyderabad. APF provided free food to 10,000 victims during the floods that occurred in Hyderabad. During September 2016, spending an amount of Rs 2.5 lakhs through Hare Krishna Movement Charitable Foundation to provide meals for COVID-impacted and stranded communities, employees of Aurobindo Pharma Limited and group companies have donated Rs 3 crore in support of feeding the poor, underprivileged, migrant labor and unemployed during COVID. This helped provide 1.85 lakh meals in and around Hyderabad. APF is proud of the impact of its nutritious meals initiatives. Overall, this Aurobindo-funded midday meal program is prominently impacting rural communities, especially children and women. Besides, during emergencies such as COVID and floods, helping improved quality of life and thus Human Development Index. To make the program more sustainable, continuous initiatives like creating ownership among communities, creating awareness about health and nutrition, mapping health with nutrition over a period of time are being done. Aurobindo Pharma Foundation efforts since its first attempt in partnership with Akshay Patra in 2016 for providing midday meal through a fund of Rs 20 crore have so far reached the hands and mouth of close to 7 crore needy humans, while truly making them smile from their heart after every meal they have.